Welcome back to Clark's Art Culinary. We are making a buttermilk pie. Let's start by creaming 1 cup of sugar with 1 stick of softened butter. And you can always just take the butter out of the refrigerator, put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds, and the butter will soften right up for you. So we're just gonna press the sugar into the butter, and we'll be done with this in no time. All right, that looks great. Let's add some more ingredients. We'll add a 4th teaspoon of cinnamon. You can also use nutmeg if you like. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. And let's mix these ingredients in. Let's add and mix in 1 cup of buttermilk. Let's add 3 eggs. Let's mix these in. Very good. Lastly, we're going to toss in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Let's mix that in really well. All right, we're gonna go get our pie shell, pour this in, and get it in the oven to bake. All right, everyone, we've got our homemade pie crust here, and I have brushed the outside of it with egg wash. So let's go ahead and add the buttermilk pie filling. And I'm just gonna ladle this in. Looks so good. Make sure it's just full enough. There we go. So this is very exact. It's just enough for 1 9-inch pie. And let's go ahead and get this pie baked. I've got the oven temperature set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna let the pie bake for 30 minutes on the bottom rack and 10 minutes on the top rack. Make sure to properly cool the pie before serving and enjoy. Our buttermilk pie turned out so beautiful. I hope you all enjoy this recipe. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.